In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vertical lines and horizontal rays in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform for charting and technical analysis, widely used by traders and investors across the globe. Whether you're new to TradingView or looking for ways to better organize and analyze your charts, understanding how to use vertical lines and horizontal rays can really enhance your workflow. These tools allow you to mark important moments in time and key price levels with precision, helping you make more informed trading decisions. If you don't already have a TradingView account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's start with adding vertical lines to your chart. First, head over to the TradingView website by typing www.tradingview.com into your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your chart. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the drawing toolbar. This toolbar contains all the tools you'll need for annotations and markings. Look for the vertical line tool. It's represented by a simple straight line, standing upright. Click on it to activate the tool. Now that the vertical line tool is selected, click anywhere on your chart where you'd like the vertical line to appear. These lines are great for marking specific points in time, such as the moment a news event impacted the market or when a trading session began or ended. If you need to adjust its position, simply click and drag the line to your desired location on the chart. Keep in mind, these vertical lines are purely visual. They won't affect your chart's data or calculations in any way. They're just there to help guide your analysis. Next up, let's talk about adding horizontal rays like before. Locate the drawing toolbar on the left side of your chart. This time, look for the horizontal ray tool. It's easy to spot. It's represented by a line pointing sideways with a dot at one end. Click on this tool to select it. Once you've selected the horizontal ray tool, click on your chart at the exact price level you want to mark. Horizontal rays are incredibly useful for identifying support and resistance levels. These are the price levels where the market has historically reacted, either reversing direction or hesitating. By marking these levels, you can highlight areas where the price might face barriers or find support in the future. If you need to adjust the horizontal ray, simply click on it and drag it up or down until it's perfectly aligned with your desired price level. Using these rays can make it much easier to quickly identify key price levels, helping you better plan your trades and analyze the market. And there you have it. By combining vertical lines and horizontal rays, you can create a well-organized and informative chart that's tailored to your trading needs. These tools are simple yet essential for any trader looking to improve their technical analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.